This short video will review unpacking, installing, and refilling the 67TR Tork Jumbo Bath Tissue Roll Dispenser. You'll need to have on hand the following: a tape measure, 4 screws, 4 anchors, a pencil, a level, and a drill. Each Tork 67TR dispenser comes packed 1 per case and will have installation instructions and 1 key taped to the back of the dispenser. Be sure to remove the key before installing your dispenser. Determine the best mounting location of the unit on the mounting surface. Be sure to follow ADA guidelines. Use your level to make sure it's positioned correctly, as this will help ensure proper dispensing. You'll notice that the back of the dispenser has 7 available hole options. It's recommended that you use at least 3 or 4 holes to properly secure the dispenser to the mounting surface. If there's a pre-existing hole pattern on your mounting surface, you may choose to reuse any of those holes that may work. Use a pencil or marker to mark the locations for the holes where the drilling may be necessary. Use the correct sized drill bit to drill holes based upon the size fastener required. Insert anchors into the holes if wall mounted. If you're mounting onto a partition, be sure to use the appropriate fastener for the material that the partition is made of. Fasten the dispenser using the mounting hardware and complete the installation. To fill the dispenser after mounting, insert the key located on the top of the dispenser. Place the Tork 11.8-inch Jumbo Bath Tissue Roll on the roll support and close the cover. To replenish a roll, open the cover and place a new roll on the roll support. Close the cover and your dispenser is now ready for use.
For more information, please visit our website at bunzlpd.com or give us a call at 1-800-456-5624.